Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at how to use our active reading skills to begin investigating this idea of mutations that Dr. Young's researchers have been referring to. And we're going to be breaking down how you're going to be choosing from three different articles about mutation and how you're going to be recording your active reading annotations as you get into those three articles. So as we get into this guide video, make sure you come back here, complete the survey, and as always, if you put your X in yellow or red, make sure you reach out for help. So in the next test, you're going to see that you have three different options to choose from for your readings today. One's about a population of bugs, one's about a population of toads and lobsters. Each one can help us investigate this idea of mutations. Your job is going to be obviously first to click on one and add that to your drive and decide which one you feel more confident reading and want to read more about. Feel free to add all three of them to the drive. If you'd like to skim the title and main ideas, you can. If you'd like to decide once you've taken a look at each one, that's fine. But once you pick your article, you're then going to use your active reading skills and highlight difficult vocab and phrases, questions about the text, and connections you have to what we're learning. So, for example, the very first one is about bed bugs. And you're going to start by reading through this first part about movie mutations. And as you go through, you're going to be highlighting sections. In movies, mutations are always exciting. They might give someone special powers or extra limbs. So, for example, highlighting this, going over here, hitting the comment section, and you can ask a question, you can make a connection, or you can identify some sort of difficult phrase or vocab words. So a question I might have is, can humans actually get extra limbs in real life? So I can ask a question. I can make a connection. So I have seen movies like X-Men or the Avengers where humans have powers slash extra limbs. And you can also identify that difficult text or phrases. So, for example, what do they mean by extra limbs? Is it just arms, legs, both? Question mark. And you'll hit the comment button to add that in. So as you go through and as you read, you're going to be asking questions, making connections, and identifying difficult text or phrases that you need to know more about or want to explore more with. And you'll do that first reading about movie mutations and then getting into the article about the population you chose, whether it's the bed bugs, whether it's the lobsters, or whether it's the toads. Again, continuing to make your connections and annotations. So that's how we choose from our three different articles and how we go about making our annotations. If you have questions, reach out. Otherwise,